How to use YouTube's Community tab to interact with your audience? To use YouTube's Community tab to interact with your audience, follow these steps. Access your YouTube channel and click on the Community tab in the left-hand menu. This will take you to your channel's community page, where you can see all of your channel's interactions and activity. Post updates, announcements, or content in the Community tab. You can do this by clicking on the Create Post button in the top right corner of the page. This will allow you to create a post that will appear on your channel's community page for all of your subscribers to see. Respond to comments and engage with your audience in the Community tab. You can do this by clicking on any comments that have been left on your channel's community page and replying to them. This is a great way to show your audience that you value their feedback and are actively engaging with them. Use the Community tab to ask for feedback and ideas from your audience. You can do this by creating a poll or asking your audience to leave comments with their suggestions or ideas. This will help you understand what your audience is interested in and allow you to create content that resonates with them. Use the Community tab to create a sense of community on your channel. You can do this by encouraging your audience to interact with each other in the comments section and by regularly engaging with them yourself. This will help to create a supportive and welcoming atmosphere on your channel, which can help to keep your audience coming back for more.